Hi everyone. In this video series, I'm going to share how I build Type in Space app for HoloLens 2 using Mixed Reality Toolkit, aka MRTK version 2. So Type in Space app is my personal project. As you can see in this video, it allows you to lay out type and text in the physical space using HoloLens. So as you can see, using the gaze and the gesture, you can grab and move the text. And in the three-dimensional space, you can lay out this beautiful type. And it also allows you to lay out text on the physical surface using the spatial mapping of HoloLens. So yeah, seeing these type in HoloLens is a really beautiful experience. Yeah, this example shows how you can lay out type on the physical surface using spatial processing functionality. And it could be also used for annotating a physical object. So yeah, this was the first version of the app, and it was built with the first version of MRTK, the Holo Toolkit, and I wanted to bring this app to the HoloLens 2 using new version of MRTK. So you can find the detailed design and development story on Medium page. As you can see on this browser on the left side, I shared very detailed design stories over there. Please take a look. And so to make this app running on HoloLens 2 and to make it support new input type, such as fully articulate hand tracking or eye tracking, you need to use MRTK version 2. So this is the Mixed Reality Toolkit on GitHub. So MRTK is open source project by Microsoft, where you can find foundational components and building blocks for common interactions and the UI controls. So when you visit MRTK GitHub website, and when you scroll down, as you can see, you can find some of the important feature areas and important UI controls and the building blocks. So these building blocks will help you quickly and easily build out mixed reality experiences. And if you click one of these items, you can find great documentation for each UI controls. So it describes how you can use these building blocks in your Unity projects. And also, when you scroll up, there's a getting started page. So in this documentation, you can find a lot of useful documentation on how you can get started with the MRTK and some of the feature overviews, such as basic concepts of profiles, MRTK profiles, and the input system and event types. And of course, under UX building block section, you can find all the documentation for each UI controls. So definitely you should check out these pages. It's going to be super helpful. And so MRTK v2 has been redesigned to support cross-platform and different types of input system, especially the HoloLens 2's new inputs such as articulated hand tracking and eye tracking input. And it is not compatible with old Holo Toolkit. And so for my personal project, the Type in Space, I made a decision to create a new project from scratch using MRTK v2 instead of upgrading existing Holo Toolkit based project because I thought it's going to be much easier and cleaner, and I don't want to spend time to just fixing a lot of error messages while upgrading existing components. And I thought it's going to be just much faster to build out the new project with MRTK v2.